Now look at the question number 5 now. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. So it is the same base BC. These are the two triangle ABC and DBC. ABC and DBC are the two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. Therefore AB equal to AC and BDC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore BD equal to CD. Am I right here? It is given that. Okay. So to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, this is what we have to prove. Okay, fine. Now, what it is given that? Given that AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. And also BD equal to CD. Okay. Here they asked us to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So ABD, so you have to construct by construction join AD. By construction join AD. Am I right here? Now in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, ABD and triangle ACD, it is given that AB equal to AC. Yes, AB equal to AC, it is given, and then BD equal to CD, it is also given. And then AD, it is common. Alright, in both the triangles, the side AD is common. So AD equal to AD, common side. So now by which congruence rule? Yes, by triple congruence rule. By triple congruence rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. ACD. Am I right here? Yes. And then we completed this question. By triple congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now come to the sixth part of this question. Sixth question in this exercise 7.2. Yes. The question is, the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC, and then the side BA is produced to D. This side BA, this is side BA, is produced to D such that AD equal to AB, such that AD is here, AB is here, so AD equal to AB. Okay. Its figure it is given. This is the diagram. Show that BCD is a right angle. Show that BCD is right angle. That is to prove angle BCD equal to 90 degree, nothing else. Am I right here? Yeah. Here again ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay, fine. Then the side BA is produced to D such that AB equal to AD. Okay. So that BCD is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now listen here. From here, what we can write in triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, it is given that AB equal to AC. Therefore, angle ACB equal to angle ABC. That is, angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. I am taking let it be X. The sense reason is what? Since angles opposite to equal sides equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. Isosceles are equal. Okay. So ACB is, where is here? ACB, it is ABC. I took it is X, it is X. Am I right here? Yes. And then it is given that AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. It is also given AB equal to AD. So already we know that AB equal to what? AC. This implies that AC equal to AD you can write. AC equal to AD since AB equal to AC. Since AB equal to AC. Am I right here? So in triangle ACD, we are having AC equal to AD now. See, AB equal to AC and then AC is equal to AD. So all the three sides are equal. Which one? AB equal to AC equal to AD. So in an isosceles triangle, if any two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are what? Equal. Therefore, the angle which is opposite to the side AC is what? D here. So angle ADC is equal to angle which is opposite side AD is what? C. This is that is angle ACD. Let it be, I am taking it as Y. So which this one is Y, this one is also Y I am taking. Am I right here? Yes. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, sorry, in triangle, not triangle ABC, BCD I am taking. In triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D, which is equal to 180 degree. Why? Yes, angle sum property of a triangle ASP. Angle B is what? X. Angle C is what? X plus Y. Angle D is what? Y here. Is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x is nothing but 2x. Y plus y is what? 2y, which is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times of x plus y, that is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y, that is equal to 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. Here x plus y is nothing but angle BCA plus angle DCA. Angle BCA plus angle DCA. X means angle BCA, y means angle DCA, which is equal to 90 degree. So BCA plus DCA, it gives us angle BCD. That is equal to 90 degree. This is what we have to prove. Am I right here? What we have to prove? We have to prove that BCD is a right angle. We proved here. Are you getting there? Yes. In the next video, we will see the solution for the next questions. Thank you.